End of Unit 2 retake. Question 1. Select all the true statements. A. The ratio of triangles to squares is 2 to 4. B. The ratio of squares to smiley faces is 6 to 4. C. The ratio of smiley faces to triangles is 6 to 4. D. There are 2 squares for every triangle. E. There are 2 triangles for every smiley face. F. There is 1 smiley face for every 2 triangles. Question 2. Select all the ratios that are equivalent to 12 to 8. A. 8 to 12. B. 24 to 16. C. 16 to 12. D. 6 to 4. E. 10 to 6. Question 3. A mixture of blue paint contains 16 teaspoons of green paint and 4 teaspoons of yellow paint. To make the same shade of blue paint using 36 teaspoons of green paint, how much yellow paint would you need? Use the double number line diagram to help if needed. A. 8 teaspoons. B. 9 teaspoons. C. 10 teaspoons. D. 12 teaspoons. Question 4. Tammy rode her bike 4 miles in 20 minutes. She rode at a constant speed. Complete the table to show the time it took her to travel different distances at this speed. Distance traveled in miles, elapsed time, minutes. Question 5. Solve each of the following. A. 7 movie tickets cost $42. At this rate, what is the cost per ticket? B. 7 ice cream cones cost $8.40. At this rate, how much do 3 ice cream cones cost? C. 7 bananas cost $1.54. At this rate, how much do 5 bananas cost? Question 6. A bag contains 150 marbles. Some are red and the rest are black. There are 28 red marbles for every 2 black marbles. How many red marbles are in the bag? Explain your reasoning. Question 7. To make lemonade, Kyle mixes 6 scoops of powder with 9 cups of water. Mark mixes 5 scoops of powder with 7 cups of water. A. Create a double number line or a table that shows different amounts of powder and water that taste the same as Kyle's mixture. B. Create a double number line or a table that shows different amounts of powder and water that taste the same as Mark's mixture. C. How do their 2 mixtures compare in taste? Explain your reasoning.